guys, welcome back. Obviously you guys have just watched me time-lapse pulling this apart, and I would like to fix the hot side of my turbo. So I wasn't really planning on getting this in depth today, but here we are. Oscar showed up, and yeah, so we're gonna just start chopping and welding stuff back together. Ignore my big old gap. Not perfect because we're fixing problems. Proper preparation. Yeah, this angle is from when I had the flex pipe on here. So this guy, flex pipe was like hella crooked. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to do a nice straight piece, give myself a little bit more of a straighter pipe and a better connection to my turbo setup pretty much. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, is because I gotta fill it. So I'm like doing the stop and go, and I gotta fill it up. Yeah, otherwise I'll just do straight through, but it's hard to fill it straight through when there's gaps in the metal. All right guys, so what's going on is, so I was planning on redoing my hot side anyway on this car. And so right now I'm on a 2.5 inch hot side, and I want to step it down to 2 1/4. So right now we're going to just do a temporary fix, because I'm going to chop this all out and redo it anyway when I get the time, or when I get the supplies. But I do want to drive the car, so we're going to get it fixed right this second, and then worry about all the upgrades when I get all the new pieces. So with that being said, we have a sleeve to go over this piece, and then a sleeve to the old hot side, which is right in here. Then I'm going to weld it solid here, weld it on there, and then V-band on one side, good to go. And then I should be able to start this thing up and get out of here. There we go. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna V-band clamp this guy where I want it, and then I'm gonna just weld this guy all the way around. Actually, I could just weld this on the big welder since I need practice. Dang, look at who's at the shop. Long time no see, girl.
Whatever. I've been here, he just ain't been filming.
Yeah, right. Don't. She hasn't been supporting me, guys.
He hasn't been filming me, guys. It's his fault.
All right, guys. It's Monday, but it's technically Taco Tuesday every day. So we're gonna go get some tacos right now. What? All I eat is tacos now. My friends have made me bad. And then we're gonna clean this up. Oh, it's Seuss. It's Taco Tuesday for Seuss as well.
Damn, let's see how I'm gonna feel. Y'all in my car. I gotta move the chair.
Seuss, we're going to get tacos. Let's go. Yeah. All right, guys, we've been getting like mad tacos like every day. Like every day we're going to get tacos. It's this fool's fault. It's this fool's fault. And it's, look, it's all of these people's fault why I like tacos so much nowadays.
Yeah, for real. We're turning him to this side.
Full-blooded.
Yeah. Let me know if y'all fit. If you don't,
No, we're good.
Take out that car seat.
We're good. Did you lock her up? Yeah. All right. Dang. Yeah.
Don't be looking at my mess. Oscar, you and Jesus gonna have to be a little close back. My bad. We're so together. Oh my god.
Me and Oscar about slept in the car in Arizona.
Oh, for real?
Oh yeah. We were living the BMX life. We didn't care. Like whatever it took to get to the contest, we weren't gonna buy a hotel. Then Caleb came through, was like, hey, you guys could stay at my house. What do I gotta do?
You just gotta buy me food, and then you can do whatever you want with your friends.
Yeah, I can hang out with my friends today.
Oh my, you act like you don't do nothing.
I can hang out
don't
with
be
my...
coming home every day.
We ready to weld yours too? We're welding everything today. I'm fixing my hot side. We have some tacos. Oh, it's gonna be a good day.
Let's clean these out real quick.
Hey, go for it. I'm gonna weld that guy. Ding!
There is a little bit of slag in there. A little bit.
It's a welding dip. It's gonna blow up anyway. So.
Goal is not to blow.
You got a spool on spool. This is a poor man's spool right here. So he's
Poor man.
we're gonna do some donuts. It's not limited slip. This is no slip.
And it's the
Hell yeah.
slip differential.
I approve. All right, guys. So I redid my wastegate dump tube. We got over, pretty much got hella into it. So here's my wastegate dump straight to the ground. New piece. We got clearance between the balancer and the piece. Now I just got to heat wrap these things and slap her back together. Another thing off the list. Maybe I'll get a battery for tomorrow. I also gotta get some fix-a-flat. The Z looks like it has a low tire. And then we're also trying to get Seuss to weld his diff as well. Ain't that right, Seuss? He wants a welded diff in that guy and a welded diff in this guy. Hell yeah. Anyway, that's what's going on. I got one little piece to weld and then I'm done. Then I can put everything back together. Go grab this battery. I put the new serpentine built in. Shop life is the bee's knees. Bro, what did you were serious about welding this fool's diff, huh?
You gotta force him into it. He wants it.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys. So I'm pretty much done with the GTO, and I walk over here and look at. Seuss went to go get his dog, which I really think he went to chill because he didn't feel like doing nothing, and yeah, Oscar got his diff out. So here we go.
Sliding time.
Yeah, it's full sin for the rest of our lives.
Permanent.
It's permanent.
Like a tattoo.
Yeah, it is. All right, guys, we got her buttoned up. Turbski, wastegate. I got a new wastegate dump tube, a new crossover. We cleaned up a bunch of stuff. Like I said, we're gonna end up redoing the hot side. Right now we're on a 2.5 inch hot side, and I would like to go to 2 1/4. One, it'll help for routing, and two, it will essentially help me spool up this turbo a little faster. And that's really what I want, because I got an overbuilt street car, and I just want to have fun.
Do that 8
fucking E36 yesterday.
Turbo here.
We'll do that on the Z.
Then run all these in the back. That would be so sick.
8-to-1. Have you guys seen that before? 8-to-1 into a turbo setup?
8-to-1.
8-to-1 to a turbo setup. I haven't seen it, but I think it'd be super sick.
That would be so sick.
And I'm sure that it would sound amazing too. Sound amazing and spool up them turbos faster. If we do the Z 8-to-1 to a single turbo, ooh, that might be nasty. Be Formula One out here. There you go.